Okay, dear students, yesterday we discussed multiples of submultiples angles. So first 5 minutes I recall the definitions, formulas. I will ask you, be ready. So what is the sine of 2a? Sine 2a, anyone?
2 sin A cos A.
Yeah, okay. Keep all of you keep mute. We'll explain. Yeah. Just recall the definitions. So sine 2a, that is 2 sine a cos a. Yes. All of you maintain the silence, please. Okay, this one you can write another way. What is that? 2 tan a by 1 minus 1 plus tan square a. Cos 2a, how to write? Cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. Yeah, don't say anyone. Let me complete. 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, tan 2a, that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So these values yesterday we discussed. And sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, cos 3a, tan 3a, by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Now, today we are going to discussing about new subtopic, that is C. It's very, very important, dear students. That is, if alpha is equal to 60 degrees or 120 degrees, please write on 240 degrees or 300 degrees. Then one, write all of you. That is sin theta into sin alpha minus theta into sin alpha plus theta is always gives 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. 2 cos theta, cos alpha minus theta, cos alpha plus theta, which gives 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. I will derive these formulas, don't worry. Tan theta, tan alpha minus theta, tan alpha plus theta, that is tan 3 theta. Similarly, cot theta, it is 300 degrees, no doubt. Okay. Into cot alpha minus theta, alpha plus theta. So, dear students, try to complete this one. Sin square theta plus sin square alpha minus theta plus sin square alpha plus theta is equal to 3 by 2. Cos square theta, cos square alpha minus theta plus cos square alpha plus theta is equal to 3 by 2. Now, how to discuss? Write down and derive first one. These are the formulas, dear students. You should remember. So after completing, immediately I will give one example. Tell me what is the answer. So shall I proceed?
Where will you tell the proofs, sir?
Yeah, why not? Sure.
Okay.
After completing
Okay.
this one.
Okay.
Now see. Proof. So sine theta, suppose if alpha is 60, suppose dear students applicable for any angle here, means alpha is 60, 120, 240 like that. That is LHS. First I'm writing one formula. Sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B. What is the answer? Sine square A minus sine square B. Now I am using this formula. Sine square 60 degrees minus sine square theta. That is the formula. So using this property. So sine square 60, how much? That is 3 by 4 minus sine square theta. Dear students, take the LCM. What the answer is coming? 3 minus 4 sine square theta. So 1 by 4 into 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So what is this one? Hence proved. Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta. What is the answer? 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. So here give the conclusion. Sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta is how much? 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. So from these two cases, what you are getting? Tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 plus theta is equal to the equation 1 by equation 2 is you can get tan 3 theta. Example. Dear students, what is the answer? How to find? Sin 15 degrees, sin 45 degrees, sin 75 degrees. So using these values. So like that you can use this formula. So here theta is 15 degrees. And I can use 1 by 4 into sine 3 into theta. So that is how much is coming?
1 by 4.
So that is 1 by 4 root 2.
1 by 4.
So after completing, tell me I can proceed. Yeah. No, see. Important series. Prove that cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta, which are cos 2 power n theta is equal to sine 2 power n theta by 2 power n into sine theta. Triple star, I'm giving this question. Same thing, you can write this one cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 cube theta, cos 2 power n theta, like that. See how to approach this type of models. Dear students, see carefully. Dear students, see carefully. LHS, what the LHS here? Cos theta. And so on, cos 2 power n theta is given. This is 2 power n minus 1. Okay, change it that one. Now, what I'm doing, multiply and divide with 2 sine theta, remaining as usual. Anyone observing 2 sine theta cos theta? What is the answer? That is sine 2 theta. Remaining as usual. What is that? Cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, and so on, cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. Again, sine theta cos theta is there. What I'm doing here, multiply and divide with 2. What I'm doing, just multiply and divide with 2. Remaining as usual. So anyone observing, what is this value? 2 sin x cos x. That is 1 by 2 power 2 into sin theta. Sin 2 into 2 theta means 4 theta. Yes. Now again, multiply and divide with 2. That is 2 cube sin theta. So 2 into 4 theta means I can get 2 square theta, 2 square theta, and so on. So what you are observing, dear student, this one, continuing this process. So 1 by 2 power n sin theta, what is the remaining? 2 into sin 2 power n minus 1 theta into cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. So finally, 2 sin theta cos theta, what is the formula? Sin of 2 into 2 power n minus 1 theta, that is the meaning. That is 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. So this is a very, very important formula. Please write down all of you. So in this case, we are using, what is the formula? 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. Multiple angles concept. Write down. So in this case, how many times? This is the 2 power 0 theta, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, and so on, 2 power n minus 1 theta. I will give an example, you can get the idea. So please tell me after completing this one. What is PDF completed? Good. TJ is there? You know, that's possible. TJ, Karthik? No. Okay, your name is. Now see. Note. Dear students, see cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. What is the formula? Sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n into sin theta. But same formula can write differently. See cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, and so on. Cos 2 power n theta means how many times are there? 2 power n plus 1 theta by 2 power n plus 1 into sin theta. Then you are finding the difference between these two cases. In the first formula, there are n terms are there. In second case, n plus 1 are there. See. Now question C. Anyone? Cos theta. Every time theta better, we can write another one. Yes. Cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A is equal to dash anyone? What is the answer? So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here n is how much, dear students? 4. So what is the answer anyone? So sin 2 power 4 theta by 2 power 4 sin theta. Yes, that is sin 16 theta by 16 into sin theta. Second question. For same model, how they are asking J means see if sin 8x by sin x. Here one more thing, theta means he should write A only. A in terms of A. Okay. So sin 8x by sin x is equal to lambda times cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x. Can find lambda anyone? Yeah. What is the answer? Yes. Now see, what is the logic? So cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x. So here how many terms are there? 3. N is equal to 3. Apply this formula, dear students. That is Sine of 2 power 3x by 2 power 3 into sin x. But with cube transpose side, so 8 into cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x. So sin 8x by sin x. So therefore, what is your answer, dear students? Compare with the given equation. Lambda is 8. So these type of models they are asking. Be careful. So formula cos pi by 2n plus 1 cos 2 pi by 2n plus 1 cos 3 pi by 2n plus 1 and so on cos n pi by 2n plus 1. This value is always 1 by 2 for n. How means from this formula only. Example, find cos pi by 15, 2 pi by 15, 3 pi by 15, and so on. 7 pi by 15. Check it whether it is correct or wrong. What is the value of n here? N is given 7. So 2n plus 1 is 7, 2 0, 14 plus 1 satisfy. What is the answer here? So answer is how much? 1 by 2 for n. So apply the formula. Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos cube like this is coming. So this one is derived from this case only. Waiting for you. So shall I proceed for next slide, dear students? Yes, yeah. What is your response here? Everyone responding here. Good here. So this one, oh, today's strength is increasing here. Good. Good, good, good. Day by day. But practice is required. 51. Okay. But whenever, but time is coming to 1 o'clock means feeling angry everyone. Okay. Now, dear students, see, listen carefully. So this is the very important, dear students. Okay. I will tell you. Okay. Trigonometry ratios of 18 degrees, 36 degrees, 54 degrees, 72 degrees. Okay. So first of all, I will make the table, dear students, write down. I will give the proof, don't worry. Sine 18 degrees. Root 5 minus 1 by 4. So sine 18, what is the complementary angle? Anyone? That is cos 72. So this is root 5 minus 1 by 4, dear students. So you should remember like that. Complementary angles concept. Okay. Now, sine 54 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. What is the complementary angle? 36. That is cos 36 is how much? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos 18 degrees is how much? 10 plus 2 root 5 whole divided by 4. What is the complementary angle? Yeah. So 10 plus 2 root 5 whole divided by 4. So finally, 36 is there. How to write that one? Cos 36, 10 minus 2 root 5 whole divided by 4. So carefully write down. By 4. So I'm giving, but when I'm asking these formulas, you should respond immediately, dear students. Okay, practice these questions, these formulas. Now, proof. Let theta is equal to 18 degrees. Then multiply with 5, dear students. 5 theta is how much? 90 degrees. So this one splitting into two terms. Divided into two terms. 2 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 90. I'm writing step by step. See, 2 theta is equal to 90 minus 3 theta. Now apply sine on both sides. Sine 2 theta is equal to cos theta, cos 3 theta. So what is the cos 3 theta? That is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Sine 2 theta means 2 sine theta cos theta. Because why cancel here? Cos theta cancel. Why? Because cos 18 degrees cannot be 0. That's why. What is the next step? 2 sine theta is equal to 4 into 1 minus sine square theta minus 3. So what is the quadratic equation is coming? So 4 sine square theta minus plus, okay, next plus 2 sine theta. 4 minus 1 means minus 1 is equal to 0. So which is a quadratic equation, dear students? Anyone? Sine theta is equal to minus b means minus 2 plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. Therefore, sine theta is coming root 5 minus 1 by 4 or fine. Dear students, what is the value of theta actually? 18 degrees. That means sine theta is equal to sine 18 degrees is always positive because why? 18 degrees lies in first quadrant. That is the meaning. Yes. So therefore, sine 18 degrees is how much, anyone? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. So please keep your mind this formula. So apply the formula. Verify. This is not possible. Why? Means this is the reason. Sine 18 degrees positive, negative not possible. What a colorful here. Now think everyone enjoying the class. Is it clear? So I'm proceeding for the next slide, dear students. See. Fine. Now, value of cos 18 degrees. Dear student, cos square 18 degrees. How to find anyone? That is the answer. So 1 minus of root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square can apply. You can get 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16 is coming. So therefore, cos 18 degrees how much? Root over 10 plus 2 root 5. Proofs are not required, but I'm giving, but you should revise regularly, dear students. Okay. So when I am asking cos 18 degrees, what is the value? Root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Similarly, value of cos 36 degrees and sin 36 degrees. So anyone, what is the value of cos 36? That is in terms of sin. Why? Because cos 2a means 1 minus 2 sin square a. So I'm using this formula, dear students. See, now cos 36 degrees is equal to 1 minus 18 degrees. What is the value of 18 degrees? Root 5. Just a minute. So 18 degrees means what is the value? Root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Simplify. You can get root 5 plus 1 by 4 is coming. This is cos 36. So similarly, sin 36 degrees. How to find? 1 minus cos square 36 degrees. So 1 by 4 into root over 10 minus 2 root 5, dear student, that is sin 36. Right on? Objective means no one is asking proofs here. So without giving proofs, shall I proceed? Just know you're asking. Understand purpose we are giving proofs. If you know procedure, it will be easily remembering. Okay. Now, values of 22.5 degrees, 7.5 degrees. In this case, only I'm giving tan cot. Okay. So, dear students, how to find tan 7.5 degrees? That is the question. So, see, listen carefully how to approach. I'm explaining. First of all, This one I can write sine 15 degrees by 2, see carefully, by cos 15 by 2. Here one more step is required. In this case, multiply and divide with cos or multiply with sine. Multiply and divide with sine or cos. Which one is suitable? So what I'm doing here, multiply and divide with sine. Why? Because reducing it is simplest form, 2 by 2 here. So 2 sine theta cos theta. So tan 7.5 degrees is equal to how much? 2 sine square 15 degrees by 2 by sine 2 theta means 15 degrees only. Okay. Dear students, 2 sine square theta by 2. Anyone? What is the answer? Therefore, excuse me. So 1 minus cos 15 degrees by sine 15 degrees. So please tell me, anyone, what is the value of cos 15? Sine 15 is? Anyone? Simplify, what is the result is coming? Yes. But in this case, what I'm doing here, rationalizing. So please help me, what the answer is coming in the numerator? Root 6 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus 1 whole divided by a minus b t plus b 2 is coming. So tell me, after completing this one, I can proceed. Give the conclusion all of you. So take your own time. Kavya Samika, proceed, sir. Okay, thank you. So after simplifying, what the answer is coming? Tan 7.5 root 6 plus root 2 minus 2 minus root 3 is coming. Yes. Please tell me that is how much? Anyone? So tan 7.5 degrees is equal to how much? Root 6. Please tell me, anyone? Minus root 3. Let me see. Yeah, plus root 2. Plus root 2 minus root 3 minus 2. That is the answer. Now, yeah. Cot 7.5 degrees. Find it yourself, dear students. You can get anyone. Can you guess? Root 6 plus root 4 plus root 3 plus root 2. Given box, you can practice yourself. Now, conclusion. Actually, here root 6 plus root 4 plus root 3 plus root 2 is equal what? What is the complementary angle of 7.5 degrees, anyone? That is tan a to 12 degrees. So you should remember these type of formulas. Tan and off. Yeah, just a minute. Pravasa asking in previous slide. See, Pravasa. After completing the class, please submit me PDF notes. Yeah. Now I'm giving questions. So for this class, this concept is complete enough for this class. Now, how they're asking questions, let us see. Be ready? Take the rub book or pen. Anyone? So, based on this one, how they're asking. Dear students, fine. Cos 36 minus cos 72. What is the answer? Anyone? First, tell me what is the cos 36? Anyone? C is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos 72 is nothing but sin 18, that is root 5 minus 1 by 4. What the result is coming? LCM is 4. Root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1. So answer is 2 by 4. Check it. Yeah, 1 by 2 is coming. But what your response here? Good. No. So I'm giving one question. You can practice at home, dear students. Fine. You can practice at home, okay? 4 into cos 36 degrees plus cot 7.5 degrees. This is the HW question. Practice at home. Now, we'll discuss one question C. This one they can ask multiple choice question. J means or single means more than one option. Numerical questions, anything they can ask. If tan 3a by tan a, so this one can expert in the examination. Okay. Then sin 3a by sin a. What is the answer in terms of k? Three k by k minus 1. K belongs to a B. 2k by k minus 1. K belongs to open interval 1 by 3 comma 3. See, listen carefully. 2k by k minus 1. K does not belongs to 1 by 3 comma 3. D. K minus 1 by 2k. K does not belongs to 1 by 3 comma 3. So tell me after completing, I can proceed. Can I proceed for this question? Yes. Dear students, see how to approach. First of all, I'm writing what is the value of tan 3a in a1? Formula 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So put this value. Now, T, tan 3a by tan a is equal to K. So tan 3a means tan a into 3 minus tan square a. Take tan a as a common factor by tan a into 1 minus 3 tan square a is equal to K. See carefully, tan a cancel here, students. Implies cross multiplication. K minus 3K tan square a is equal to 3 minus tan square a. Once again, I'm repeating, from the numerator, K is the common factor. So tan a cancel from the denominator. After that, apply cross multiplication. Dear students, from this case, I need the value of K. See carefully, K minus 3 is equal to tan square A into what is the remaining, anyone? 3K minus 1 is there. See carefully. That's enough. Right? I can go for next slide. It was a previous J question. They were asking in mains and advanced also. One is objective, one is more than one option. So this question you can convert it into various models. Numerical questions, matching, same question. So shall I proceed, dear students? Yeah, good. Good. What is the next slide? Previous one? K minus 3. Once again, check it. 3K minus 1. Yeah, correct. What are the giving coming? K minus 3 is equal to tan square A into how much coming? 3K minus 1. So therefore, K minus 3 by 3K minus 1. Fine. And one more thing you should understand, K must be not equal to 1 by 3. Why? Because undefined. Infinite exists. Okay, this one is existing, no problem. Just a minute. So tan square is always greater than or equal to 0. Apply Weaver method. What is the answer is coming? You can see 1 by 3, 3 plus minus plus. Yes. K belongs to what here, dear students here? Now we'll discuss later this one. Now, come to the point. Dear students, what they're asking, sin 3a by sin a. That is the question. So sin 3a, what is the formula? Sin a into 3 minus y. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Now, sin a cancel. So 3 minus 4 sin square a. Fine. So in this case, I need in terms of, I'm writing one formula, dear students. What is the value of sine square in terms of tan? Anyone remembering? Anyone? In the place of 1, I'm writing this one. So 1 by 1 plus tan square here. See carefully. So that means here 3 minus 4 into 1 by 1 plus tan square here. Otherwise, use right angle triangle concept. You can use anywhere. So how much is coming? 1 plus k minus 3 by 3k minus 1. That is the tan square here. So simplify. 3k minus 1 by 4k minus 4. So what is the result is coming? 3k. 3k cancel plus 1. K minus 3 minus 3k plus 1. This much process is not required. Directly write down. So please tell me what is the sine 3 by sine A is coming. Anyone? So sine 3a by sine A. Anyone? What the answer is coming? 2 by 1 minus k is coming. So find out once again all of you 3 minus sine square, you know? Yeah. Okay. Sine square means you can write like this, no, dear students? So sine square means, oh yeah, this is the sine square means what now? Tan square A by 1 plus tan square, no? Please change it, this one, all of you. Tell me what is the answer? Sine square A by cos square A plus sine square means tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. See carefully. Simplify what the answer is coming. Yeah. Wait, I'm writing. So dear students, what is the value of tan square A here? K minus 3 by 3k minus 1. So put this value, dear students. What is the result is coming? Two k by k minus 1 is coming. K must be not equal to 1 by 3 comma 3. Check it. That is the answer. Sin 3a by, that is the answer. Simplify. Now come to the point. Dear students, suppose if k is equal to 3. So in this case, what strictly greater than 0? This is not possible, okay? Strictly greater than 0 in this case. Why anyone? See carefully. If k is equal to 3, that means tan A is equal to 0. Tan A is equal to 0 means what is? K is equal to 1 by 3. What happened in this case? See? K is equal to 1 by 3 means does not exist for this case. Why? Because, see, I'm writing, because sin A must be not equal to 0, otherwise undefined case. Sin A must be not equal to 0. That's why strictly greater than 0. I don't. Better write on this point. This point is very important. Why? Because sin A must be not equal to 0, otherwise undifferent case. This one is extra formula. I'm writing question, dear students, find sin 18 degrees, sin 42 degrees, sin 78 degrees. What is the answer? Those who are completed, tell me, I can proceed for the next slide. Yeah. Good. Shall I proceed for this case? Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll see. Let me, what is the answer? Let me see, dear student. Good, well response. First, I'm writing the question. See, once again, what is given? Sin 18 degrees, sin 42 degrees, sin 70 degrees. Do you know sin 42, sin 78? No. But how do you approach? Consider theta is 18 degrees. Then how to write sin 18, sin 16 minus 18, sin 16 plus 60 plus 18. Anyone, dear students, what is the formula? 1 by 4. Sin 3 theta, sin 54 degrees. Please tell me what is the value of sin 54, anyone? That is 1 by 4 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. So here, because sin 54 is nothing but cos 36, you can remember like this also. So conclusion. What is the conclusion? 1 by 16 into root 5 plus 1 by 1. Leave it like that. Let us slowly, don't worry. Let us take your own time. But tell me after complete the problem. That's why, see, maybe anyone confused. That's why I'm writing formula also. For each question, I'm writing formula. See. So my request is all of you make a short notes for formulas, trigonometry. Just a minute. I'm discussing one more formula. Tan theta into 1 plus secant 2 theta 1 plus secant 4 theta 1 plus secant 8 theta and so on 1 plus secant 2 power n theta, which gives tan of 2 power n theta. So be careful, proof. How? Right? Some textbooks they're giving like this also D 1 plus secant 2 theta 1 plus secant 2 square theta 2 cube theta and so on is equal to tan 2 power n theta by tan theta. Otherwise, you can write into cot theta. Both are same, dear students. See carefully. I'm writing proof here. So, shall I proceed now? Writing. Completed. Yeah, Dimple always respond here. Good. Thank you, Dimple. Sahiti, Kavya. Good. Yeah. Soumya. Most of the students and girls are responding here. Now see, discuss slowly. First of all, I'm concentrating, dear students, only LHSC. For the LHSC, tan theta into 1 plus secant 2 theta, 1 plus secant 2 square theta, and so on. 1 plus secant 2 power n theta. Listen carefully. Fine. About the time, let's see. So tan theta means how to write here? Sin theta by cos theta. Fine. This one I can write 1 plus 1 by cos 2 theta. See carefully. Into remaining as usual. Fine. Sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta by cos 2 theta. Taking the LCM. So little patience is required solving this type of problems. Sin theta by cos theta. Fine. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Anyone? What is the formula? That is 2 cos square theta. Check it, anyone? Remaining as usual. So 2 cos square theta means here 1 cos theta cancel. Still, what is the remaining? Anyone? 2 sin theta cos theta by cos 2 theta. See carefully. Into 2 square theta as usual. So 2 sin theta cos theta, what is the answer? That is sin 2 theta. Sin by cos, that is tan 2 theta. So continue this process. If we are applying, you can get for the answer. Tan 2 power n minus theta into 1 plus secant 2 power n theta form is coming. See, first step. Here 2 means here 2 square is there. Clear, dear students? See. Here 1 means 2 power 1 is there. Here, see, 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1. Like that. So what the answer is coming? That is the answer. I will write it next page. See. Let me see it is sufficient or not. Tan 2 power n theta by tan theta. Hence prove. That is the answer. No, only tan power 2. Yeah, tan theta is not required. Already multiplication is there, no? So this is only tan power 2 n theta is coming. Hence prove. So dear students, so once again revise these formulas. So I can revise the formulas once again. Yeah. So today topic is what here? Multiples and submultiples angles. See. So in this case, we're discussing sin 2a Okay, cos 3a, tan 3a formulas. Wait. Cos 3a, tan 3a. Yeah, someone is sending the message. Oh, waiting. So alpha is 60 or 120 or 240 degrees or 300 degrees. So anything, these are the formulas. But regularly we are using formula number 1, 2, 3. So sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta is how much? 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. So this is the proof. But in this case, we are using what is that? Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. What is that? Sin square a minus sin square b. Coming last one. So sin square 60 degrees minus sin square theta. So 3 by 4 minus sin square theta. So you are getting this is the formula. So one more thing. Similarly, you can derive cos theta also, dear students. Now using sin and cos, you can derive tan theta, tan 60 minus theta like that. So what is the question? Sin 15 degrees, sin 45, sin 75 degrees. What is the answer? So we are getting is the answer 1 by 4 root 2. So in this case, excuse me, prove that important series cos theta. So this one is very, very important. So today most of the problems we are using only sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta, cos theta, multiple angles. So see here, this is the answer. Sin of 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. So similarly, see, this one is different, this one is different. Be careful. So put n is equal to 4 here. Why? Because 4 terms are there. So this is the answer. So dear students, please remember, sometimes in the place of here, they are giving some angles also, 20 degrees, 100 degrees. They can ask anywhere. Tomorrow discuss what type of problems they can ask. Now find the lambda in this question. So apply the formula. How many terms are there? N is equal to 3. Fine. Please remember the formulas. So today we're discussing trigonometric ratios of 18 degrees, 36 like that. So dear students, this is the proof. So what is the value of tan? I mean sine 18 degrees, anyone? What is that? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. Complementary angles means, so is equal to cos 72. You should remember like this, complementary angles. So this is the proof. Fine. So cos 18 degrees, we have to derive cos 36, tan 7.5. So using this property, we derive this one. So cot 7.5 degrees is how much? Root 6 plus root 4 plus root 3 plus root 2. So complementary angle of cot theta is nothing but tan 90 minus theta. So dear student, please remember this formula. This is the homework for you. It was the previous G advanced question, numerical question they are asking. Converting, they are giving is equal to something sigma format. Now, it was also previous question. See carefully. Pravasa, complete this one, right? Oh, sir, Dimple asked me, no? Yeah. We'll see. After complete it, tell me, no problem. So, dear students, shall I give one more question? Okay. So, how many of you responded this question? Let me see. Take the pen, revise the formula, no problem. Fine. Cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11. What is the answer, anyone? Bah, immediately respond. Good. Here n is how much? So, what is the formula? 1 by 2 power n, 1 by 2 power 5. So, answer is 1 by 32. Correct. Right? See the formulas? Cos 6 degrees, cos 24 degrees, 66. 1. What is the answer? 2. Cos 6 degrees, sin 24 degrees, cos 72 degrees. What is the answer? How to solve? Anyone? That is key. Question number 1 or 2? Tell me. Yes. Proof. See. Solution. Cos 6 degrees. 54 means how to write, dear students? 60 minus 6. 60 plus 6. What is the formula? Theta is 6 degrees. So this is answer is 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. 18 degrees. Now tell me. What is the value of cos 18 degrees? That is sin 72. That means root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. See carefully. Question number 2. Yeah. Cos 6 degrees. Sin 24. Cos 72. How to approach? Now, what is the complementary angle of sin 24 into 1? Clear? Yes. Cos 6. That's what? 60 plus 6. Cos 72. What to do, anyone? So these type of models are very be careful. What I'm doing, see, 60 minus 6, 60 plus 6 into cos 72. What I'm doing, dear students, see, multiply and divide with cos 54. So this is 1 by 4 into cos 18 degrees by cos 54 into cos 72. What is the answer? See, that is the answer. Simplify. Wait. Cos 18 degrees. Cos 70 means how to write sine 18 degrees. See carefully by cos 54. So dear students, multiply and divide with 2. Sine 2 into 80 means sine 36 by cos 54. Both are cancelled. Answer is 1 by 8. Is the beautiful question. So once again, practice this question, all of you. Here one term is missing. That's why multiply and divide with cos 54. Cos 3 theta. I mean cos theta. Cos 60 minus theta. Cos 60 plus theta. Yeah, Santosh, well done. Cos 72 means no use complementary angle because we don't know sine 8 degrees. Dimple. Okay. What your response, dear students? Thank you. Dear students, have a nice day. So once again, revise these notes and submit PDF format. Thank you. Have a nice day.